everyone, welcome to my kitchen, and we're doing some Halloween baking today. Also, I already made a brownie, so we're gonna cut it up, draw some spider webs on it, add some eyes maybe. I think it's gonna look super cute. We're also gonna finish the pretzels. So yeah, boil them and bake them, because I already made the yeast dough. So right now it's just growing under a blanket in a bowl. So yeah, when it's grown, we're gonna shape the pretzels, boil them in the water with soda, and yeah, bake them. Let's start with opening the cookie cutters. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and they're looking cute. Especially, I think this one. This is very cute. This one is like a maple leaf. I don't know, the other ones aren't but either, but I think I like those two the most. I'm also gonna try to add food coloring to the dough, so we can have some, variety in colors, some like red leaves, orange leaves, yellow leaves. I think that's gonna be cute. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I prepared all of the ingredients, and now that is the part I don't really usually like, which is combine all of this. This is actually a method my grandma uses, which is put everything on the table and mix it. I usually put stuff in a bowl, but I have all of the bowls occupied, so might as well check out this method. This is a cool recipe because you can add anything you want to it. So I really like it. I usually add either some powdered tea or coffee or cinnamon, but yeah, let's do this. Okay, here we go. That's the dough. It doesn't look like much, but there's gonna be way more of it when I roll it. But I make it flat to cut the cookies out of it. So yeah, here we go. That was a workout. I'm actually tired, so I think I have to leave the dough for a minute, let it rest. Or we can start mixing in like a cinnamon and food coloring. Maybe I'll do it first, mix in stuff, and then we're gonna let it rest. Yeah? So here's my food coloring. I have red and yellow. Let me add like 1 drop and see how it goes. I can't open it. Now that was stubborn. Expect redness on my hands, alright. It's nothing drastic, it's just food coloring. Okay, this is as red as I managed it to be, which is a very pastel pink. I would say my hands are more red than the dough, but hopefully it will get darker in the oven and it will be different than this color. I hope. Alright, so these are our colorful blobs. So yeah, we have pink, pastel pink that was supposed to be red. We have orange that was supposed to be yellow. It's also like a pastel orange. We have like brownish that was supposed to be dark brown, and the control group. So this was the OG. Here's the pink, here's the orange, here's the brown. You can't really tell. But yeah, now they have to rest for a while to not be as warm, so they don't stick to the cookie cutters that much. So now that they have to rest, I think we can go back to the yeast dough, see how grown it is, and start with the pretzels. So let's go! Look at that, beautiful! I'm really glad how it grew for the past 2 hours. So yeah, we gotta work it a little bit because of the gluten, I think. Also, let me know if you guys like pretzels. I really love them. I actually looked up the recipe because I used to get them in the store, right? And there was nothing wrong with them. But I was actually curious, like, hey, can you do them at home? Is that easy? And it actually is. It's super easy. Like the dough has yeast, flour, some sugar, some water, like the very standard yeast dough. And then you just shape it in the pretzel shape, and that's it. Okay, station change. I'm by my stove with boiling water with soda. I have the dough, I have the baking tray. So yeah, now I just gotta form the pretzels and boil them. So I gotta say, I made them a little bit chunkier than I anticipated. But I think they're gonna be good nonetheless. So now I need to brush them with a yolk, put some salt on them, and then they go to the oven. Okay, we have some salt on, and they're ready for the oven. Okay, so the pretzels are in the oven, they are baking, they should be ready in like 15 minutes, more or less. So let's use this time to decorate the brownies, and I'm so excited about it because I've seen so many pictures on like Pinterest, Instagram, internet in general, and I want to put like a little spider webs pattern, and I also have a little sugar eyes to add to the mix, so that's gonna be extremely adorable. They have different expressions as well, so you can make them wink, you can make them blink, whatever you like. So yeah, let's do it. So I gotta say, this is way harder than I anticipated. I thought it's gonna be like super easy. But you know, making a straight line with liquid sugar is surprisingly more difficult than with a pen. This is just giving me this Christmas vibe of decorating gingerbread cookies, and I enjoy it a lot. You know, it's just tiny bit of Christmas magic in October in Halloween. But yeah, I highly recommend you try to decorate some cookies for Halloween. It's fun, you can do it with your family, with your friends. It kind of worries me that I don't have enough eyes for all of the pieces. I think I have like five pairs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 7. Well, 2 of them will be eyeless. And here it is. They're all finished. I'm sure they're gonna look a little bit better on a, you know, nice plate and stuff. But yeah, there we go. The Halloween spider web eyes. Brownies. There we go. They're finished. I'm so happy. It took a while. And of course, I gotta try one that is like, maybe not the best, but let's do a taste test. I made them so sweet. Okay, so now it's time for some iced coffee, and we're going back, circling back to the colorful leaf-shaped cookies. Let's go! This is so cute. I love them so much. I hope they stay at least a little bit red. That would be nice. Okay, on to the next color. So the next color is actually the standard one with no color, because this is kind of like a control group. So I don't overbake the other ones, because I judge by this color getting slightly brownish in the oven, so I will know that they are done. With other colors I can't really tell. So yeah, let's do a little bit of this one. Next color, orange. And we're done. We're done with the baking for today. I'm still gonna bake tomorrow, but more of a savory stuff. But yeah, everything today is a success. I'm especially happy with the leaf-shaped cookies because they actually kept their colors and they are looking so cute. So I'm so happy, but so tired. My back hurts so much. I also slipped and hurt my knee, so that's great. But yeah, we have pretzels, brownies, and cookies. That's amazing. So yeah, thank you so much everybody for watching. We have a nice spread of things done today, and yeah, have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is for you. And